How to fix Discord bot not working. Today guys, I will show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open your settings of your device. Then go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back, and then click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another videos.